Going to learn about polynomials. So first of all, we have to know about terms. What is a term? So we have 4x. 4x, it is a term. 4x square. This is also a term. 3x. This is a term. So these all are called terms. Now what does it mean poly? As you all know, poly means many. Nomial means terms. So what does it mean a polynomial? So polynomial means when many terms join together, it forms a polynomial. For example, 4x plus 3, or you can say x square plus 7x plus 12. So this is what is called a polynomial. Now we'll learn about degrees of polynomial. So degree of polynomial means the highest power of x in p of x. It is called the degree of polynomial. For example, we can say the degree of polynomial in 4x plus 3. It will be, what is the highest power of x in this equation? It is 1. So the degree of polynomial in this equation, it will be 1. In this one, x square plus 7x plus 12. What is the highest power of x in this equation? It is 2. So the degree of polynomial will be 2. Now we can take a cubic. For example, 2x cube plus x square plus 13x plus 6. So what is the highest degree of x? Highest power of x? It is 3. So the degree of this polynomial, it will be 3. Now according to this, we can say that linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, or cubic polynomial. So this is the polynomial 4x plus 3. This is a polynomial with a degree of 1. So this is called a linear polynomial. What is it called? It is called a linear polynomial. Now we have x square plus 7x plus 12. What is the degree of polynomial here? So it is 2. So when the power, it is 2, or the degree of the polynomial, it is 2, it is called the quadratic polynomial. Now in this one, what is the highest power of x? It is 3. So the degree of polynomial, it is given as 3. So this is known as cubic polynomial. That is a polynomial of degree 3. It is known as cubic polynomial. Now we can talk about the zeros of the polynomial. That is, geometrically, the zeros of polynomials are the points where its graph cuts the x-axis. For example, this is the graph. Okay. Now as usual, we can mark 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And here it will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc., etc. No need of that. So the line at which, like how many points where it cuts the x-axis, it will be the zero of polynomial. We can find out how many zeros are there according to this. So here it cuts only at one point. So we have only 1 0. So it is the linear one. Okay. At how many points at which the graph cuts the x-axis, that much number of zero of polynomial will be there. For example, this graph, this is a y-axis, x-axis. So look, how many times it cuts the x-axis? Like 1, 2 times. So it has 2 zeros. 2 zeros will be there. So this is the quadratic one. Now the third one, look. Look, how many zeros will be there? 1, 2, 3. So this is cubic. So this is how we can find out from the graph how many zeros of polynomial will be there. Okay. Now zeros of the polynomial. So according to definition, how we define it is the value of variable for which the polynomial becomes 0. It is called as the zero of polynomial, of which I'll be explaining later. Now relationship between 0 and the coefficient. For example, quadratic polynomial. The standard equation for the quadratic polynomial, it is ax square plus bx plus c. So this is the standard equation for the quadratic polynomial, where a, it will not be equal to, where a not equal to 0, and we know that x minus a and x minus alpha and x minus beta are the factors of p of x. So these both, they are factors of p of x. When we solve, the next video I'll show, when we solve, when we get this, these will be the factors, and we can find according to that. So this is about the zeros of the polynomial. So this is just about the introduction. Now in the next video we'll be talking about the exercises.